Drop it.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Unique Developer, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to import and run this project. In the previous video I showed you how this project works and what are the modules, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the environment and run this project and how to download the files. So if you have watched my previous video, in that video I provided you two links. So this is the video. If you have not watched it, go and check out. In this video I showed you how this project works and what are the modules. So in the description area you can find two links. First one is for project source code and second one is for database file. So download these two files. Okay, I have already downloaded these two files. Okay, this is zip file and this one is SQL file, which is database. This one is database file. So I have already downloaded the files. So let me go to my XAMPP. So this is XAMPP inside HD docs. Make sure you have to keep your files, means this zip file inside HD docs folder. You can keep SQL files anywhere because we have to import this file into database. So now let's extract this. Okay, so right click, extract here. Okay, so this is the folder we got, and now we have to import the database, which is the uniquedeveloper.sql. So we have to first make sure your XAMPP is up and running. So this is my XAMPP server. I have started the Apache and MySQL. If you don't have the XAMPP server, you have to download the XAMPP server from Google. So type download XAMPP and you can download XAMPP from Apache website. For 64-bit and 32-bit there are two versions. So suppose I download 64-bit. This one is for Windows, and below this one is for Linux. Okay, so download 64-bit version if you are using a 64-bit. These are the different version of PHP. Okay, so download any one which you like. For this one is for Windows. Okay, so if you are using Windows, download this version, and after downloading, install the exe file and run the XAMPP. Okay, then you will get this interface. Make sure to start the Apache and MySQL services. So I have started both. If you get any error, try changing the port. Okay, in going from config, go to, suppose I want to change Apache, and service and port settings. So you can see this is the by default port. So you can, if you get any error, then try changing this port. Okay, so now I have to import the database file. So go to localhost, PHP myadmin. Here we have to create a database which is unique developer, but you can see I already have this database, so I have to create another database. I will change the name, so unique developer, and I will name it as 2. Okay, unique developer 2, and create. Now we have to import now click on this database and click on import. Now we have to import, so select choose file and go to the respective directory where we have keep the database file. Let me go to new volume F. Okay, sorry, let me go to new volume XAMPP htdocs. So here is my SQL file, and select it and click on, and make sure the format should be SQL and go. It will take some times, and just wait. In this database I have already inserted some data, so you can refer that, and if you want you can add more tables if you want to customize the project. Yeah, so we got our database ready. So you can see all the tables are imported. Okay, so now let me run the project. So this one is web.login, but my project name is localhost you can see you have to type the folder name. So what is the folder name? Unique developer. So let me copy. So I copied and go to browser, localhost / unique developer and click on OK. So you can see I got the login page. Let me log in. The username is Sunil and password is 1234, and when I click on login, I got logged in. But in your case you may not, you will get an error because you have to change the username and password. Okay, so go to your unique developer, means the project. In the project you have to go to validate.php, open this file, and here you have to change the server name is localhost. It's okay. Username, here you have to insert the username, and if you are using a password for database, then you have to insert a comma, and inside this you have to insert the password. Okay, whatever password you are using, just insert it here. Currently I am using no password, so that's why I have entered only localhost and username root. If you are using a password, then comma and here password. Okay, I am not using any password, and here you have to enter the database name. Okay, so database name is unique developer, but I have both database, unique developer and unique developer 2. So make sure to write the correct database name here, and after changing this, you can log in into the project, but you have to change multiple files, like when you go to admin page. So here you can see classes. So these are the classes which are managed by admin. So here you have to change the database name, root, password. I don't have any password, so unique developer database name, and okay, so you have to change accordingly. And then the next file is, make sure to change all the files related to database. Just try to run the project. If you are getting any error, just note down the page name and go to the respective page and change the database username and password and database name. Okay, so that's all. And if you are getting any error, let me know in the comment section. I will try to resolve your error. If you haven't watched my previous video, go check out the video. In that video I showed you how this project works, what are the modules, and that's all. And do subscribe the channel for further projects and to learn more programming related stuff. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.